Okay guys, I've got this broken carburetor from the 535 and I thought I'll give it an experiment to remove the needle seat because I haven't really found any video about it on the internet, how to remove it or if you can remove it or not. So we are going to have a give it a go. This is broken anyway, the pilot screw is seized in, so I can't do anything about that, and also sold the other one to someone else. I think it might be a press fit. I'm not sure. It might be going from the back side downwards, so we might have to remove this brass top here, but I don't know yet. So first I'm gonna heat up the body to give a bit of a expansion and see if I can turn this or move it, or if it goes down that way or comes out that way. I don't know yet. So next step, I'm gonna start heating it up. So I'm going with the big boy straight away, not gonna piss about with the heat gun. So I'm just gonna heat up the body around this and see what I'm getting. I'm gonna use locking pliers or mole grips if you are in the UK, and just gonna try see if it's turning or doing anything really. Okay, that doesn't really do anything. I bet you it's putting from the top, from here. If you look at there, see, it's been punched in, that brass cover, and I think that covers the needle seat from this side, and I don't think you can pull it out that way. So I'm gonna remove this brass cover and we're gonna have a look what's under it. Definitely gone through. So that's 5mm. Wow, that's eating itself in. Oh my god. Yeah, there's definitely a filter there, and I definitely destroyed it. Good thing is with brass, it's fairly easy to put a thread in it. Okay, I think there is a reason why people don't take this out. How are you gonna cap this back in? I didn't even know if it's screwed in or it's just a plug and I can pull it out. I have no idea, but this is why we are here to find out. I'm sure you know my tool by now. This is a puller, and look, and it comes with an M6 adapter I can screw in. I'll screw this on. Honestly, I have no idea if it will come out or not. Alright, let's try pulling it gently first, see if it moves. Yeah, and it's out. So yeah, it's just a plug with an O-ring, and it wasn't even super tight. Let's see if that needle valve seat it comes out or not, but I think this is the way to get it out. Okay, let's try to knock it out. It might not work, but we'll see. Yep, it did move. Perfect. Okay, this is quite a process to swap this out, so, and it's out. Okay, as you can see guys, it does have a filter on. I'm not sure, it's probably designed for lifetime. I'm not really sure. So this is how it's this put together, look. Okay, right, like this. So what you could do is you are going to destroy the filter, but if you use a punch like I did to remove this, I think by pushing this up you can push this little cover out as well. It's literally just a push fit. So get your carburetor, yeah, put in a vise and just basically push it out with this little bung as well. Together, the whole lot will come out together. I think probably that's the less destructive way to get it out. No drilling, no tapping, but I didn't know what to expect, so I'm not bothered, to be honest. I don't care. Change the filter or change the whole lot, change this whole new needle valve, and just put it back together with new o-ring. And when you're done, just give it a tap like this with a punch to get this secured, this little bung. That one. Oh well, I destroyed it. Like I said, I don't care, it's going in a bin. But you can save yours by watching this video, and you know what to do exactly and how to get it out. So I thought it worth a video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your time here. I really appreciate you watching all my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video.